Successful real estate development and management is dependent on many factors. It demands experience, years of expertise, careful planning, dedicated people. Lenders and investors seek out these qualities before committing funds to real estate properties. They want to make sure they found a well-known developer with a proven track record, an established professional asset management team, and diversification, both in product and location. The Portfolio Management Group at Cardinal Industries provides these advantages for investors and lenders, and much more. Cardinal Industries is the largest modular manufacturer in the United States and the nation's second largest real estate developer. Cardinal has been building apartments, homes, motels, and other shelter products for more than 30 years. And during the past 17 years, Cardinal's revenues have grown on average 20% a year. Cardinal Industries' assets now exceed $1 billion. Cardinal is a shelter manufacturer, a real estate owner, a real estate developer, and a property manager. Cardinal manages nearly 1,000 apartment communities. We've built and managed hundreds of motels. And Cardinal continues to be a leader in the shelter industry by introducing new products and business opportunities like Arbor Gate Inns, single-family homes, retirement housing, commercial office space, student housing, all part of Cardinal Industries. The modular shelter products that Cardinal manufactures are especially suited for real estate investment properties. Manufacturing costs are closely controlled in our assembly plants across the country. Our innovative modular design simply allows us to maximize quality, minimize cost, and meet schedules. But modular construction is just one of the elements of Cardinal's success story. The Portfolio Management Group at Cardinal Industries provides professional asset management of Cardinal's real estate properties.
Our portfolio managers are business professionals who are experts in both the shelter markets and the financial marketplace. They use their expertise to create strategies which help us to meet our financial objectives.
The Portfolio Management Group professionally manages real estate properties to achieve specific investment objectives: steady appreciation of net operating income and steady appreciation of distributable cash. We know net operating income is the key factor in determining the value of any property. It's the indicator that allows the seller to obtain the highest possible sales price for a property at any given time. The Portfolio Management Group manages properties to achieve a long-term steady appreciation of net operating income. This income translates into value that provides security for lenders, value that is ultimately returned to our investors. The Portfolio Management Group also provides a steady appreciation of distributable cash. By managing operating budgets and debt service, Cardinal portfolio managers are able to meet projected cash distributions year after year. The Portfolio Management Group takes advantage of favorable financing to even out cash flow and maintain this steady increase in distributable cash. And since tax advantages have traditionally been associated with real estate investment, the Portfolio Management Group will always make the most of whatever tax advantages are available under current law. To achieve our goals, the Portfolio Management Group develops a long-term business plan for each property in Cardinal's real estate investment portfolio. The business plan is comprised of the strategic marketing plan, the strategic financial plan, and the strategic operations plan. The strategic marketing plan begins with the evaluation of existing market conditions, the differential advantages of a Cardinal product, the demographics of the user base, the specific attributes of a particular property. But we don't stop there. We look long and hard at the competition, number of units, locations, services, occupancies, rates, all to give us a competitive edge and to maintain our position as a leader in the shelter industry. We also examine factors that might have a future impact on the market, nearby developments, changing demographics, anything that might dictate a shift in our marketing strategy. At the Portfolio Management Group of Cardinal Industries, we want to manage change in the marketplace, not react to it. We work with the operating divisions to establish a marketing plan for each property. Then we implement, monitor, track, change, and re-implement the plan to stay ahead of the market. Our strategic marketing plan allows us to maximize income through higher occupancies, rent levels, and rates. The second element of the business plan is the strategic financial plan. One of the most important factors of what we do at the Portfolio Management Group is manage debt. We continually review debt to make sure it is at appropriate levels to meet our investment objectives. The strategic financial plan also manages the ownership interest of properties. Investments in Cardinal properties generally have a finite life and are under constant scrutiny of the Portfolio Management Group to maximize rate of return over that life. The third portion of the business plan is the strategic operations plan. The Operations Division and Cardinal Management agree on aggressive, long-term operating budgets for specific properties to generate maximum income and cash flow. We carefully monitor and adjust budgets to maintain long-term investment goals. We control expenses without sacrificing the level of high-quality shelter products for which Cardinal Industries is known. We also review specific operations to ensure that we have the appropriate management style in place for each property. These are the factors that allow us to manage change. That's why a long-term view is so critical in portfolio management. We prepare for change so that we can manage change. By doing this, we are able to reward our investors and lenders with a steady appreciation in NOI, value, and distributable cash. Because Cardinal Industries is such a large corporation, effective communication, both internal and external, is critical for us to meet our goals. Investors receive reports that help them track their investment growth. Lenders receive information allowing them to assess the security of their position. And our portfolio managers are always happy to answer any questions from our investors and lenders. The portfolio managers provide the knowledge, expertise, and experience to make the business plan work. Since they have knowledge of the specific markets they manage, they are able to modify plans as environments change. The portfolio managers are shelter market experts. They are experienced not only in property management, but in investment markets as well. They have the ability to analyze and act on financial information to take advantage of changes in financial markets. The product, the plan, the communication tools, the people, all working to meet the goals of Cardinal's real estate investments. The Portfolio Management Group of Cardinal Industries ensures that real estate investment properties provide outstanding opportunities for both lenders and investors in today's market.